Yeah guys, wacha twende hivyo Parliament. Let me show you from Kencom to Parliament. Ukitoka Kencom unaendaje Parliament? So hapa ni Kencom. Hapa ni Kencom. The opposite side ni Hilltop. Okay, meune. On my left is Kencom, on my right is Hilltop. So hiyo building unaona hapo mbele on my left, hiyo ni International House. So this is Nairobi. Nairobi. Pali Nairobi. Zebra crossing. Yeah, so guys, this is Nairobi. This is Nairobi. So we come to this roundabout. On my left there is the Supreme Court of Kenya. And on my right there is the Nairobi City County Assembly. So are you seeing, this is the Supreme Court of Kenya, High Court. Hapa penye tunapita gate 1, gate A. And then on my right, the other side, on my right, the other side, the Nairobi City County Assembly. The City Hall. The other side, the white one, is the City Hall. And now we're passing KCC. KICC. So on my right is KICC, Kenyatta International Convention Center. You can see the landscape is beautiful. The footpath is awesome. So on my right is the office of the governor. You're seeing the white building. On my right, that is the office of the governor. Office of the governor. So tuendelee bana. Tunaenda bunge. We're going to parliament. There's nice sunlight today. Very nice landscaping. Nairobi is beautiful. Nairobi is beautiful. Kuna lori pia ya kubeba watu wakiandamana. So on my right, there is a garden square, a restaurant. Okay. So let's get to Parliament Road. We're going to Parliament Road. Parliament Road. We just came from City Hall Road. City Hall Way. So let's get to Parliament Road. And in front of me, that is the Parliament. So this is the there are school buses. School buses. There are students who have come to see the Parliament proceedings. These are schools that have come to see the Parliament proceedings. St. Angela. Yeah. So mimi naenda huko. Naenda hadi Bunge. Naenda hadi Bunge. Bunge Tower. So are you seeing the opposite side? That is the Parliament. Those students are going to Parliament. Wanaenda kuona the Parliament proceedings, the Senate proceedings. So that is the Parliament. The other side, that is the Parliament of Kenya.
How you think of Parliament?
Kenya. Are you seeing the opposite side? And we are on Parliament Road. We are on Parliament Road. So ndio Senate tumeipita. Senate tumeipita. Parliament. Naenda Bunge Tower. Ndio ile Bunge Tower. I don't know if you can see it. Bunge Tower. That's where I'm going. Bunge Tower. That one. The tall one there. So Bunge Towers. I think I crossed the road. I think I can cross the road. No, let me just go. Acha niende hapo mbele. Na crossia pale mbele. Sitaki kuenda hiyo side ya Parliament. Bunge Tower. Na huko magari zinapita. So this is Nairobi. Very beautiful. That vehicle has come very close to me. Very, very close. So let's cross the road. You're going to Bunge Tower. Let's cross the road. Okay. Let us cross the road. Yes. Let's go to Bunge Towers.
I'm not.
Yeah, so guys, from here, I think inside Bunge Tower, recording is not allowed. Recording is not allowed to go Bunge Tower. So let me finish the video here. See you on the next one. Naenda pale kwa Bunge Towers. See you on the next one. Bye bye.